Ladies and gentlemen, aspiring investors, value seekers, and eternal students of the market, welcome. You're in for a treat as we distill an ocean of wisdom from the celebrated tome, The Manual of Ideas by John Mihaljevic, into the top 10 riveting insights, all served with a side of wit. Before you grab a notepad or fire up an Excel sheet, strap yourself in. We're diving deep into the mindset that has lined the pockets of the investing greats. Let's decode the cryptex of value investing. 1. The Sherlock Holmes of stocks. Value investing is akin to being the Sherlock Holmes of the stock market. You're not looking for what's flashy and loud like Moriarty's schemes. You're looking for the quiet, the understated, the undervalued. Each investment is a mystery to unravel. Like Holmes with his magnifying glass, the book armors you with a framework for detailed analysis. It has you poring over balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, the breadcrumbs that lead to the truth about a company's intrinsic value. Remember, the devil and the dividend is in the details. 2. The deal hunting equivalent of Indiana Jones. The Manual of Ideas makes you the Indiana Jones of market bargains. The book is your map to the hidden treasures of the stock market, teaching you to brave the volatile terrains and swing over the pitfalls of hype. Navigate through deep value plays where you find companies trading at a significant discount to their assets. It's like buying a dollar for 50 cents, provided you have Indy's bullwhip of thorough analysis to avoid booby traps. 3. Emotional equilibrium. Investing is more about controlling your emotions than controlling the market, which is good because the latter is like trying to teach a crocodile vegetarianism. As Mihaljevic outlines, the great value investors have ice in their veins. They are stoic in the face of market madness. They do not succumb to the siren songs of Wall Street. Panic selling? Not today. FOMO-driven buys? Please, they'd rather watch paint dry on a diverse portfolio. 4. High-quality companies at low prices. Sounds like the oxymoron of getting a delightful root canal, but high quality at a low price is the holy grail in value investing. Nations have been formed with less rigor than the book suggests you apply in finding companies with durable competitive advantages, strong financials, and great management, all available at a discount. It's like finding a Rolex at a garage sale, dusting it off, and discovering it's real. 5. The unloved and misunderstood. In high school, these were the kids who blossomed into tech moguls and fashion icons. In the stock market, these are the companies shunned by investors because of short-term issues or simply because they're under the radar. Yet with a bit of digging and an open mind, you might uncover the Cinderella story before the stroke of midnight and before the general market puts on her glass slipper. 6. The art of concentration. If you think diversification means spreading your dollars like you're feeding pigeons in the park, think again. The Manual of Ideas presents the case for a concentrated portfolio, where your knowledge depth is as impressive as the Mariana Trench. It's about betting big but smart, investing in a select few stocks you understand inside out. In a nutshell, diversification may be for know-nothings, but concentration is for know-everythings. 7. Mr. Market is moody. Let's capitalize. Picture the stock market as a manic depressive with no middle mood. Our dear Mr. Market shouts overpriced quotes one day and murmurs bargains the next. The key insight: don't let him dictate your actions. Instead, seize the moments when his mood swings present an offer too good to ignore. Mr. Market is not your dance partner. He's the guy you pick pockets from when he's not looking. 8. The maestro of moats. Would you build a sandcastle right at the water's edge? Of course not, unless you enjoy fleeting art. Similarly, the Manual of Ideas nudges you towards companies with wide economic moats, sustainable competitive advantages that defend against the relentless tides of competition. These moats can be brand strength, cost advantages, network effects, and more. Find these castles, and you might just build a financial empire. 9. Catalysts and the waiting game. Value investing is less sprinting with Usain Bolt and more a strategic game of chess with Bobby Fischer. It's about patience. Mihaljevic underscores the need to identify catalysts that will unlock a company's value, but also the wisdom in playing the waiting game when necessary. Whether it's a corporate restructuring, a change in management, or industry regulation changes, these catalysts are your knights and rooks moving stealthily to checkmate. 10. The learning is never done. The manual of ideas should come with a subscript, graduation not included. This book doesn't give you the fish, it teaches you to fish in ponds others ignore. It's about lifelong learning, continually refining your approach with the humility of a student and the precision of a scholar. Every page, every idea is a call to study, reflect, and improve. So there we have it, dear friends. The creme de la creme of value investing insights served up from the Manual of Ideas. The book is not the end, it's the beginning of a journey into the land of calculated risk and reasoned reward. If wisdom were dollar bills, you'd all be a bit richer today. Now, go forth and invest, not as the gamblers rolling dice in the alley, but as the architects who build solid foundations upon which fortunes can be built. May your portfolios grow, your risk be managed, and your market mysteries be solved. And remember, when you tell the story of how you made your first million, make sure to include this little book talk, that is, if your humility allows it. Happy investing, everyone.